Well, I'm Bill Ward, and my wife Louise and I have property in the Yachats area. Found the place, the property we currently own, which is about 6 acres of oceanfront property, and kind of fell in love with that. Purchased that, thinking we would develop it for retirement years and also for an investment. So we've held on to the property as an investment and hope to pass it on to our heirs and let them use it and or sell it as they see fit in the future. We were informed by Lincoln County that FEMA had been weaponized and the regulations had been weaponized to force Lincoln County to adopt regulations which preclude us from developing it.